So my topic was autonomous systems and its effects on employment. My specific case study was the new autonomous store, Amazon Go. So basically, this is my site. I have a homepage with a picture of a self-driving car. And this page, I talk about how we've transitioned, how our technology has evolved, how autonomous systems have moved on in the past 30 to 40 years. I also talk about a few advantages and disadvantages of autonomous systems. It's the home button right here. Uh, then I go on to my introduction. In my introduction, I talk about what an autonomous system is. Talk about the three types of autonomous systems: the stub AS, um, the multi-homed AS, and the transit AS. I also talk about what Amazon Go is all about. I also have a little video here showing how Amazon Go works, and it's the video of a store from Seattle. It's a prototype store. I also talk about how the effect of Amazon Go if a, a employee less store could work. That people could just walk in, pick up things, and walk out. Amazon Go calls this the technology um, they just walk out and go walk out technology. Just walk out technology. Basically, what people have to do is they need to open up their apps on their phone for Amazon Go and scan a QR code before walking in, and all the stuff that happens inside the store is observed by cameras. Whatever you pick up, whatever you put down, the shelves they scan whatever you pick up and put down. And basically, there are no checkout lines. Everything that you pick up is marked up in the app, and you're off to go. So there's a lot of time saving and less of a hassle while you're going shopping. So I have another tab here. It's the issues tab, and I have a little graph here that shows that once autonomous systems are fully implemented in the job sector, this is what is going to happen: the conversion of the job market. I also talk about how the retail market in the United States and the world, well, basically the world, it's losing 16 million employees. The market is losing 16 million employees, and this is just because if we incorporate autonomous systems and retail stores, and basically this would create a mass flow of unemployment. I talk about an example of the car manufacturing industry that when it started out, everybody would car build and assemble cars in a conveyor belt. People would specialize in a special job, but these autonomous robots now can do specific jobs but faster and more efficient, and people are just losing jobs because of this. I also have a little history video of the rise of automation in the industry and how it's evolved over the years. And then I have a results page. For my results page, I put in a questionnaire that I had with Kathy A. DiMartini. She is the director of the Advanced Program Remote Sensing and Special Programs of Lockheed Martin. She's a very close friend of mine's mom, and I couldn't meet her, but I sent her out an email with about 10 questions, and we talked about Amazon Go and how she felt about how she felt about the new technology. Because she's worked in the industry over 20 years. I thought she would be the perfect candidate to talk about this because she's seen how the market has evolved. So I went through 10 questions with her and all her recorded all the data on this page. For my opinions page, I talk about my own opinion. I think autonomous systems will eventually take over the jobs of labor. Any jobs that don't require much skill. I believe autonomous systems will take over this. Everything will be automated. People will transition into newer jobs, but I believe this part of the industry needs to let people slowly transition into other jobs, or we will be in big trouble with our economy and the job market. Summary is basically whatever I researched, I summarized it, and I believe in the next 10 years, yeah, automation and autonomous systems will be a killer for labor jobs. I believe people will move into operating these systems, and that will be one of the biggest jobs in the job market, from what I've learned from my research. And I think we should be ready for these stores in the near future. And here are a few of of my references that I went through. I studied these articles and I came up with the content for my website. And yeah, that's about it. These are all the tabs. They're working pretty well. A little rusty on HTML, but it turned out to be fine. Yeah, that is my project. I hope you can give me some advice on how I can improve it so my final submission is better. Thank you very much.